Probably saying that I'm way too slow and that he wants to pass me. But I don't know for sure. Oh my gosh. See, the thing is like it's windy, it's cold, so I have my scarf over my mouth. The scarf has to be held up by my glasses so I can't see my feet. I can only see the stairs. So, you know, it is what it is. I gotta go slow. Just keep breathing. Breathing. They didn't understand me. Or they would have said, yeah.